that if you're going to use a percentage, we generally say that a percent is out of a total amount. Okay? When I hand your papers back that are graded, I always say, okay, you got 7 out of 8. Okay, well that tells you how many you got out of the total amount. But generally we try to turn this into a percentage, and the way we're always going to do this over and over and over again is to take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. Now here's what I want to know. Since I'm trying to sell gum and I know that clearly more dentists recommended it, I would say, okay, let's find the percentage of dentists that actually recommended it out of the total. You notice I said out of. That's that whole fraction bar thing. Now I could write 3,714 out of this many total. Or we could write it as a fraction first. We say 3,714 out of 4,952 dentists recommended. Now, here we are back at our fractional representation again that we said was probably pretty much rubbish in terms of selling gum. But I tell you what, if we want to turn this into a percent, what we need to do is take the numerator and divide by the denominator. This will give you a decimal, okay, which will actually help you to produce your percentage by shifting that decimal to the right 2 spots, 2 place values, okay? Once you've found this, you might actually realize that this is a very, very powerful comparison for 2 reasons. One, everybody's seen percentages before, and what it does is it kind of scales us all down to be out of course, percent means out of 100. People realize that percent means out of 100, and it's a lot easier to grasp for them once they see that. Okay, so my suggestion to you is, when you do this problem, to actually pursue getting a percentage, and I do want to see you writing a fraction first. As a matter of fact, if you wanted to tell me the percentage of dentists that did not recommend your gum and show me that maybe that was a small percentage, you might actually be successful in saying, hey, not a large percentage of people that are dentists do not recommend our gum. Okay, so hopefully this helps you get done with problem number 14.